Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at the Ultion Nuki Plus kit, a smart lock that offers some impressive upgrades from the original model. The Ultion Nuki Plus is a collaboration between Nuki and Ultion, offering a complete lock replacement solution. It comes with a smart lock, door handle, barrel, and keys, making it a simple and effective way to add a smart lock to your home. The smart lock in this kit is the Nuki 3.0 Pro, which is an upgraded version of the original. It features a rechargeable battery with a USB-C charging port, making it faster to operate. But the most significant improvement is the built-in Wi-Fi, allowing seamless connection to your home network for remote operation. Installing the Ultion Nuki Plus is a breeze. It sits on the inside of your door, either replacing a standard turning lock or the entire mechanism, and comes with a high-quality internal door handle. The lock cylinder offers protection against attack and comes with thicker keys for added security. The smart lock is about the size of a computer mouse and can be turned manually or controlled remotely through the app. It's powered by a rechargeable battery that lasts around 2 months with regular use. And the best part is that it now connects to your home network via Wi-Fi, giving you remote control and the ability to provide access to your home to others even when you're away. Setting up the Nuki Plus is straightforward with the Nuki app, which also offers options to optimize the turning process and set up permissions for other users. The auto unlock function, which detects when you're close to the lock and automatically unlocks it, is a handy feature. The Ultion Nuki Plus also comes with a fingerprint keypad option, allowing easy and secure access for users through the app. Overall, I've been using the Ultion Nuki Plus for a few weeks, and it has exceeded my expectations. The improvements over the original model, such as the faster operation and built-in Wi-Fi, make it an outstanding smart lock. If you want a hassle-free smart lock that provides complete control over your home security, the Ultion Nuki Plus is the way to go. It's effortless to install, set up, and use, and the auto unlock feature is a game changer. Though there's a standard version without networking abilities, I highly recommend the Nuki Plus for its added convenience and functionality. This smart lock is definitely worth a 5-star rating and is an excellent lock replacement for any door. That wraps up our review of the Ultion Nuki Plus kit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on various products. Thanks for watching, and keep your home secure with the Ultion Nuki Plus.